So basically, I did file my taxes, and I found out I'm going to be getting a return. However, it's not as big as I was hoping it to be. I was hoping for around $10,000, but instead I'm getting around $6,000. I was hoping to use that money to move from Los Angeles to Atlanta because they have a lower cost of living there.
Yes.
Hell yeah.
Yes, absolutely.
Right.
Hell yeah.
And I am a single mom of a beautiful 2-year-old daughter, and unfortunately, the financial burden is 100% on my shoulders. So I really got to get to lower my overhead. In addition to that, a few weeks ago, I was let go from my job. So now I've just been doing odd jobs trying to make ends meet. And now this money's gonna come in and I gotta figure out what do I do with it. You know, do I save it? Do I use it to move, or do I pay my bills? So that's what I really need your help with.
All right, very good question. Right now you are getting a tax refund. You've got 5109 coming from a federal refund. You've got 900 coming from the state. So yay, this is your breakthrough, okay? Right now you're spending about $1,600 a month on rent.
Yes.
You are spending $19,200 a year on rent. If you transfer that to a mortgage payment, you're gonna spend less money than that, and you're gonna get a deduction on your tax return for interest and taxes. And so next year, when you file your tax return, you're gonna see a significant increase in your tax refund as a result. What people don't understand is all those rules about your credit score has to be 9,000, forget that out of the door. You're a first-time home buyer, and we have some good news. We've got you approved for a mortgage already. $150,000 is your pre-qualification amount, and there is your pre-approval certificate. Yeah.
Wait, really?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
That is so awesome.
You can buy a home now.
How does that sound?
That sounds so amazing. I mean,
Yes.
Well, you didn't know, you know.
No, and it's what I've been trying, because I have my daughter, and this baby, she just is so amazing, and she deserves a home, and that's what I've been working towards, you know, but I've not gotten close. So thank you.
You can do it. I'm so happy for you. So I've got even more great news for you, okay? So you're a homeowner. Here's what's gonna happen. I wanna get you pre-qualified for a 2-unit property for about $150,000. Your down payment is only $4,500. You're a first-time home buyer. I've got a ton of programs. Your mortgage payment is only gonna be $1,123. This is principal, interest, taxes, and insurance. Your monthly rental income off of the other unit, rent it out, and I always say maybe Section 8 or some way that you can get guaranteed rent every month. You're gonna rent it out for $1,500 or more, so you've got a surplus of $376.25 every single month. Now, guess what? Your annual mortgage expense just went down to $13,000.
Used to be 19.
It used to be $19,000, right? But here's the other thing. Remember she was paying $1,600 a month in rent? You don't pay that. So now that's $20,000. That's $19,000 back in your pocket, because your mortgage is now gonna be paid by the other tenant. That's $19,000 back in your pocket.
Oh my goodness.
Do you understand?
Yes.
This is why people have to learn the money game. I'd like to see you stay in this property for a couple of years, okay? You can move out of that property, rent both the units out, double your rent, and now buy a new home. You've got money in the bank saved, and the rent that you are now getting from the other 2 units will not only pay the rent for the other building, but also for your brand new home. Do you understand?
My goodness.
You better.
That's how you do it.
Hey, listen.
That's how you do it.
When we come back, Lynn is going to tell us why it's not too late to get more money back on your taxes, even if you've already received your refund. Uh-oh.
That's right.
The money game. Hey, you made it to the end of this video. I got a lot more that you're gonna enjoy, so just click to watch the next one. And make sure you subscribe to always know what's happening.